Pluralsight. My name is Mike McQuillan, and this course is all about building your first VBA module. Maybe you know a bit about VBA and use it fairly regularly, but you're wondering if you could improve the way you use it. Guess what? You can! This is just the course you are looking for, as it will teach you all about modules, something only the hottest VBA developers know about. You'll learn what modules are and why they are used. There are 3 different types of module, and the course explains all of them. You've probably used standard and object modules before, but if you've just skimmed the surface of VBA, there's a strong chance you haven't utilised class modules, which is fortunate, as we discussed them in depth during this course. You'll see how to build a class module from start to finish, beginning with the design and moving on to in-depth development. You'll find out all about properties, public and private methods, events, and even testing your code. Exhausted yet? Well, keep up, because there's more. The course concludes by showing how to use your shiny new class module in an Excel application, integrating it with a user-defined form. You'll discover how to create a form and how to add controls and code to forms. By the time this course is finished, you'll wonder how you ever developed a VBA without using modules. You'll have all the skills you need to create your own mega cool modules. I can't wait to see you at the course. Thanks for watching.